In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the versatility of a database, making it an invaluable resource for organizing information. But as with any tool, sometimes mistakes happen, and you need to know how to quickly undo an action. So let's dive right into how you can easily manage this in Airtable. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable base. If you're not already familiar, a base in Airtable is essentially a collection of tables, similar to a workbook in Excel. Once you're in the base that you're working on, it's time to locate the base history. You'll find this option right beside the launch button. The base history is a chronological record of all the changes made within your base, which can be a lifesaver if you ever need to track back and undo a specific action. Now, once you've clicked on the base history, you'll see a list of recent changes. This feature allows you to view modifications made to the base, who made them, and when they occurred. To undo an action, simply browse through this list and find the change you wish to reverse. Clicking undo will revert that particular change, returning your base to its previous state. This is incredibly useful if you've accidentally deleted an entry or made a change that you later realized wasn't necessary. But what if you want a quicker way to undo an action without navigating through menus? That's where keyboard shortcuts come in handy. One of the simplest ways to undo an action in Airtable, or many other applications for that matter, is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command+Z instead. This shortcut is a quick way to undo your last action, saving you time and effort, especially if you're in the middle of an intense work session. Both methods, whether you're using the base history or the keyboard shortcut, provide an efficient way to manage your bases without the stress of worrying about irreversible mistakes. Remember, the base history is perfect for when you need to see the big picture of your recent changes, while the keyboard shortcut is ideal for quick, on-the-fly adjustments. And that's all there is to it. Knowing how to effectively undo actions in Airtable can save you time and prevent the frustration that comes with accidental deletions or unwanted changes. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your Airtable experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on mastering Airtable.